Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. I am Saman. Today we are going to discuss the paper 1 of Mathematics D of Cambridge O-Level May-June 2023. In this paper, up to now, we have discussed 17 questions. So today we are going to start the discussion from the question number 18, right? We will see what the question number 18 is, right? Here, this is a question number 18, matrix. It's a matrix question. It's a question of matrix, right? Matrix C shows the contents of each small and large gift bag sold by Juan. There's a person called Juan. He sells gift bags. There are two types of gift bags. Large gift bag and a small gift bag. Then two types of gift bags. One is one of them is large gift bags. Other one is small gift bags. Then these each gift bag there are soaps and candles. Now, if you take a large gift bag, in one large gift bag there are 6 soaps and 4 candles. In one small gift bag, there are 2 soaps and 1 candle. Okay. Now they ask the first question: how many more candles are in large gift bag than in a small gift bag? They ask how many more candles are there in a larger gift bag than in a smaller gift bag. Then for this to answer this question, we want to know how many candles are in a larger gift bag and how many candles are in a smaller gift bag. By comparing those two, we can give the answer. Now here, question 18. Question 18, they say, how many more candles are in a large gift bag than in a small gift bag? Then we will see the number of candles in a larger gift bag 4. The number of candles in a smaller gift bag is 1. Therefore, number of candles in a larger gift bag is more by 3 than in smaller gift bag. Okay. Then how do you find that? You deduct the number of candles in a smaller gift bag from number of candles in a larger gift bag. Then that is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. This is the answer for the first part. Then they say mass of a soap is 120 grams and mass of a candle is 60 grams. Matrix M represents this here. Matrix M. Matrix M represents the masses of a piece of soap and a candle. This is the mass of a piece of soap. This is the mass of a mass of a candle. That is 60 grams. Then matrix M is made of those masses of the contents, right? Then they have given another matrix N, that is, they say C into M. That means if you multiply matrix C by matrix M, you get the matrix N. That's what it says. Then they ask this question, find N. Find N. We'll find N. B1. B1. Find N. N means that N equals C M. Then N equals matrix C is what? That one. That is what is matrix C. Write it here. 6, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Then matrix M is this one. This 120 and 60. Now here. How do you multiply a matrix? There is a compatibility criterion for matrix. The matrix multiplication is not commutative. Commutative means now if you take general arithmetic multiplication, there is 2 into 3 is 6. Then 3 into 2 also is 6. Although we change the positions of the numbers, the product does not change. That is called, they are commutative. But in the case of matrices, matrix multiplication is not commutative. That means if you multiply here C by M, you get one matrix. If you multiply M by C, the answer is different from C by M. That is why they have been matrices. Matrix C into matrix M is one answer. Matrix M into matrix C is another answer. That's why we say that matrix commutative, matrix multiplication is not commutative, right? So anyhow, For multiplying matrices, number of columns of the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Two columns, 2 rows. Therefore, yes, this is compatible. These two matrices are compatible for multiplication, right? That means these two can be multiplied. How do you multiply? You multiply each row of the first matrix by each column. You multiply this one by this. That's the first row elements. Then you multiply this by this. That's the second row elements. Then you will get then here this one, if you write the size or order 2 by 2, this is how much rises 2 by 1. Okay. Then here number of rows, number of columns of this is this second piece. The number of rows of this one. Right? Okay. Then these two go off, and this the size of the order of the resultant matrix will be this 2 rows and 1 column, like that. Okay. Now see, we will multiply this. This is how you multiply this. You multiply this by this. This into this plus this into this. Then 6 into 120 plus 4 into 60. Okay. That's the first row elements. First row, first column, right? Then other one is what? This one you multiply. This row is multiplied by this column. 2 into 120 plus 1 into 60. Okay. This is also matrix. Then we write here 6 times 12, 100 and 720. Okay. This one 4 times 0, 4 times 6, 24. This one 240 plus 60. Okay. Then you add these two together, this one and this one, then it will be how much? 720 and 240. That means 960. Other one 240 plus 60 means 300. Right, okay. This one. Okay. Right. Then 960 and 300 are the answer. Right. There are two elements in that matrix. There's 2 by 1 matrix. Right. Okay. Then they say something like this. This one. Second part, the first part done. The second part they say explains what each element in matrix N represents. Now what we did here, we multiply this by this. Then this is the number of soaps. This is the mass of one soap. Then this is the number of candles. Then that is number of candles in large gift bag. This is pieces of soap in a large gift bag. Then this is the mass of one soap. This is the mass of one candle. Then you multiply the number of soap in larger bag by the mass of one soap. Here number of candles is in a larger bag by the mass of one candle. Then you get here so 900. Then after doing that, this line you get 960. 960 then is the mass of contents of one large bag. This 960 is mass of contents of one large bag. Then this one here. Then this one here, the number of soaps in smaller gift bag. Then the number of candles in a smaller gift bag. Then this is the number of this is the mass of one soap. Then the mass of 60 is the mass of one candle. Then you multiply the number of soaps in a smaller bag by its mass. The number of candles in a smaller bag by its mass. Then you multiply, you get here the mass of contents of one small bag. Then you write here 960. That is the answer for the second part here. 960 is the mass of contents of one large gift bag. Then this 300 is the mass of contents of one small gift bag. Okay, so that is the answer for second part of B. Right, second part of B. Yeah, this is right. That is the answer. That's question. Now here we get all right. This is A, B, C. Okay, right. Now we are to shade. We have to shade this question 19a. We have to shade A intersection B dash union B intersection C dash. Then if I draw here, then here A intersection, A, B, C. Okay. Then A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash means that is common for A and not common for B. That means only A. This means only A, this part. Compared to B, yeah? Compared to B here, only A means this. Here, this part. All this. Right? Then this one, B intersection C dash. B intersection C dash means only B compared to C. That means this part. Like this. Only B without C. Right? Then union. Union means all these shaded parts. Union. Union means all these shaded parts. Therefore, in this one we shade then from this one. This is like this. Right? Then further this. Like that. That is relevant region. Right. Now 50 people visit the library. B part. 50 people visit the library. Then they say 50 people visit the library. Right. Then Q19 we can write here, right? Q19B, yeah. Q19B. Okay. Right. Now, they say 50 people. This is a library. 35 borrow a book, 12 use a computer. 8 do not borrow a book and do not use a computer. Find the number of people who use a computer but do not borrow a book. Right. There are two subsets here. This is a book and computer. Let's say book B, computer C, right? They say 50 people, then borrow 35, borrow a book, then 35. Yeah, this whole ring is 35. Then 12 use a computer, then 12 use a computer. Whole ring is 12. Then they say 8 do not borrow a book and do not use a computer. That means 8 people do not do any of these two. They don't do. They don't use a computer and they don't borrow a book also. Therefore, those 8 people do not do any of this, and therefore they must be outside like this here. They are the people who do neither. Right. Right. Now we put here. Then we want to find the number of people who use a computer but do not borrow a book. They use a computer but do not borrow a book. That means this part we want. Okay. That means those people who only use a computer, right? Okay. Then we see he put here x. Then here 35 minus x. Here it will be 12 minus 6, right? Then this is it. Then we can write the equation like this. This plus this plus this plus this equals total number 50 like that. 35 minus 6 plus x minus plus 12 minus x plus 8 equals 50. Okay, right. Then 35 minus x plus x plus 12 minus x and plus 8 equals 50. Right. Then we write here 35 8 how much? 35 8 43. 43 plus 12 is 55. Okay, no? 35 8 43. Otherwise 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 35 55, correct. Minus 6 plus x means minus 6. Then equals 50. Take x to that side, take 50 to this side, then minus 50, then x equals 5. We found this middle value, this is 5. Then this is 35 minus 5 is 30. This one is how much? 12 minus 5 is how much? We don't want this actually. Then here 12 minus 5 is 7. Then this part is 7. Answer is how much? 7. Then number of people who use a computer but do not borrow a book. Equals how much? 12 minus x equals 12 minus 7 equals 12 minus 5 equals how much? 7. That's it. Okay. Then next one, 20th question. Expand and simplify. Right? Expand and simplify. Right. 20th one. Look at expand and simplify. Q20 here. Expand and simplify part 1. Then they asked to expand and simplify the 4x minus y into this 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y. Then you remove brackets multiplying this by this. Then by this 4x, you first multiply this whole thing 2x plus 5y. Then by this minus 5, this by this minus y, you multiply again this whole thing, 2x plus 5y. Okay, then multiply and remove brackets. 4x times 2x, 8x squared, 4x plus 5y, 20y, xy. 4x plus 5y, 20xy. Then minus y times 2x minus 2xy minus y times plus 5y minus 5y squared. Okay. Here 20xy minus 2xy, then 8x squared plus 18xy minus 5y squared. Okay. After adding these two like terms, that is plus 20xy minus 2xy, they can be subtracted as like terms. Then 20 minus 2, 18xy minus this 5y squared. Right. Okay. That is the answer for that. Then part B here, simplify. They ask this part B, Q20, part B. Right. Part B here you get simplify. They say x squared, x to the power 12, they say, over 8, whole thing to the power 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Then here we will write this 8 as third power or something. Then you can simply cancel this 3 with that 3. Then this can be written as what? Then x to the power 12 over this one 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Then whole thing to the power 2 over 3. Okay. Whole thing to the power 2 over 3. Then you, this to remove this bracket, you multiply power inside by power outside. Power inside by power outside. Then it will be this x to the power 12 into 2 over 3 over here 2 to the power 3 into 2 over 3. Then this 12, 3 and 12 cancel 4. Then 3 and 3 cancel 1. Then here, what is left here? X to the power 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. Then you can write x to the power 8 over, here it is 2 to the power 2 only, this 2. This 3 got cancelled, then this 2 to the power 2 is left. Then 2 to the power 2 means 4, then x to the power 8 over 4 is the answer. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay. Right. That is done. That is question 20b. Now we write this question 21. Solve. Q21. They ask you to solve. What is the 5x over x minus 3? 5x over x minus 3 equals x plus 4. Equals x plus 4. Right? Then here, here there's a fraction. That is here, this side, this is 5x divided by 3 minus x minus 3. Then remove first of all this numerator, denominator x minus, the division by x minus 3 into that one, that side. Then it will be multiplication by x minus 3. Then here on this side 5x. Then we remove this x minus 3 to that side. Here it is x minus 3 division by x minus 3. When you remove that side, it will be multiplication by x minus 3. That means x plus 4 x minus 3. Okay. Right. Now you multiply these two again in the same way as we did in the previous question. Here this multiplied by this means this x you multiply this. Again this plus 4 you multiply this thing again. Whole thing. Okay. Now you multiply and remove brackets. X times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x, then 4 times x is 4x, 4 times minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. Now you take this, then you get here 5x equals x squared. There are two like terms, minus 3x plus 4x. Here 4 times x, 4x, 4 times minus 3, minus 2. Here it should be 4x, 4 times x, right? Okay, then there are two like terms, minus 3x and plus 4x. Then you can see, subtract these two, then 4 minus 3 is 1x. That means plus x minus 12. Okay. Then you bring this 5x to that side again. Then this side it is 0. Then x squared minus plus x minus 12 minus 5x. Then here minus 5x plus x become again two like terms you can subtract. This is positive x, negative 5x. Therefore, subtract and answer will be negative 4x. 0 equals x squared negative 4x minus 12. Okay. Then this is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Then this quadratic equation here, look at this coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x squared is positive 1 here. As coefficient of x squared is positive 1, we can easily factorize this, taking this minus 12. This minus 12 equals what? We can write as minus 6 into 2. All right. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, correct. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, correct. Then straight away you can write the factors like this. Like this. This minus 6 and minus x minus 6, one factor, other one is x plus 2. Then equals what? 0. Okay. Okay. Then now you equate each factor to 0. Then x minus 6 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Okay. Okay. Right. Then you now you make x the subject. Then here x equals 6 or x equals minus 2. So these are the answers. X equals 6 or x equals minus 2. Okay. Right. Then we are moving to that is the question number 21. Now we are moving to question 20, number 22, right? Okay. Okay. Now question number 22. They say that y is directly proportional to w squared. X is inversely proportional to w. When w equals 10, y equals 5 and x equals 0.4. Then find y in terms of x. Then you have to find a formula for y in terms of x using this given particulars, right? Okay. Then we will start. Y is directly proportional to w. Then you write y. Then Q22. Then y is directly proportional. You write like this. Okay. Then they say x is inversely proportional to w. X is inversely proportional to, you write like this, to w. Okay. Then this proportion can be converted into equation by multiplying by a constant. We will take that constant as k here. Then you write that y equals k w square. Then this proportion also can be converted into equation by multiplying this also by constant. We will take that constant as c equals then c over w. We multiply this side by constant c. Okay, like that. Then we want to find these two constants k and c. Then for that we use these values given. They say here when w is 10, y is 5. Then y is 5 here. W is 10, like this, 10 square. Okay. Then here they say what? When w is 10, x is 0.4. Then x is here 0.4 when w is 10, like this. Okay. Then here this one 5 equals k into 100. Then k equals 5 over 100. Then k equals 1 over 20. Right. We found that k. Then here take this 10 to this side to make see the subject to find the value of c. Then 0.4 into 10 equals c. Then 0.4 multiplied by 10 is 4 equals c. Okay. C equals 4. Right. Now we write this equation, substituting k value. Y equals k means 1 over 20 into w squared, like that. That is y, formula for y. Then this one here, we take this equation and to that you substitute this c value. Is x equals c means 4 over w. Okay. Now we want to express y in terms of x. Therefore, you find a common variable in both, that is w. By using this w, we connect these two equations. Then we will make w subject. Then it will be take w to this side. Then it will be xw over 4. Then we want to make w the subject. Take x to that, the multiplication by x will become divided by x, like this. Okay. Then w is 4 over x, right? Right. Okay. Then we substitute this one into this one. Then y equals 1 over 20. Then w is how much? W squared here. Then w is how much? 4 over x and this square. This is the w part. Okay. Then you simplify. Y equals 1 over 20 into. Then here again 4 over x. Then 4 over x squared. 4 over x squared means what? And then x squared means x into x. Then 4 over x squared means 4 over x into 4 over x. Then if you simplify this one, it will be 4 times 4, 16, x times x, x squared. Then this whole thing, 4 over x to the power 2 equals 16 over x to the power 2. Then this part will then 16 over x to the power 2. Then you can cancel here 4 times 4 and 4 times 5. Okay. Then you get here y equals 1 times 4, 4, 5x squared. This is the answer. This is the formula for y in terms of x. Okay. Y equals 4 over 5x squared. Right. Right. Okay. That's all. Then that is the end of this video. Have a nice time. See you bye. With expectation of meeting in an interesting video. Right. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.